Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? The market is actually going crazy. The market is actually going crazy, but we are used to this. So today we are just going to do our trade setups. So it's not really going to be daily analysis because I'm doing this every day. So which means this is going to be our trade setup. What do I see on the market where I was going to buy or where I was going to sell? But before we continue to that, we still have the special that is going to end this weekend. I think I postponed like for 2 weeks for the special. So for those who wants to be part of the team, $60, you can just jump in and enjoy a lifetime of unlimited signals. So now let's go back on our analysis. You know what? This program crashed while I was doing this. So this is the second video. If it crashes here, it means I'm not going to send any video today. So what's really happening? What's really happening on USD ZAR? We can see that the dollar or USD ZAR is going a little bit lower, but the overall structure here, it's actually an uptrend, you see. But where we are, the market is actually on the support area. Remember, we had some votes here in South Africa, so and I think they did conclude with their coalition discussions and stuff like that. So today they will be updating us about who's going to be who, which one is going to take these positions and stuff like that. And on that, we will know. I think the markets liked that, right? So that is good. That is good. So at the moment, what I can do, I can say, you can see we have a nice support as we don't really have to make things difficult for ourselves. We have a nice support where we can easily see that the market was just consolidating around the same level. And I expect the same thing to happen. So for me to say where can we buy, I can just wait for the market to go way too closer to this support area. Sometimes the market won't touch that area. You can see around this area, the market did reverse around that point. You see here. So if you were waiting for the market to touch this area, sometimes the market can just bounce back and you can miss a simple, very simple trade. So we can just draw something like that just to make sure that we don't really miss anything. So I think where we are, yes, we can have a very nice buy, but you have to also factor in the stop loss. It has to be crazy, very crazy long. And remember, the dollar seems to be stronger. So, but we will be going on that. We'll be going on that. We'll be going on that, right? So I'm expecting to see the market reverses around this area and to go up. That is going to be a very nice buy on USD ZAR. Unless if maybe the market tries to break out, unless if maybe things don't really like whatever that is going, maybe we might see the market going down. But at the moment, we don't really have any major economic news on the US side, right? So now we are on USD, JPY. What's really happening? We can easily see that we are on a very nice uptrend structure. The market has been actually going up, very nice, but at the moment we just want to know where can we actually buy. As I said, I'm doing this video for the second time, so don't be surprised when you see some buy stuff there. So I did talk about this area actually. So what I see here is the market already, it's reversing, but the overall structure here is an uptrend. And we can see nicely that around this area, it's where the market respected several times. But there is a chance for the market to respect this outer support there before going up. But at the moment, the market is giving us some very nice structure there. I think the market might actually respect that and start to go to the upside as we expect a continuation of this buy. So around that level with my trade setup, I think we can have something like that. I'm not saying go take trades. No, this is what I'm thinking. This is just my analysis. If you go take that, that is going to be on your own. So I'm expecting the market to respect this area, and then we can have a nice buy pending order around that level, or maybe the market might reach this level before going up, unless if maybe we're gonna have some breakouts. But on this trend, we can easily see that no, this trend is quite stronger. Whoa, what's really happening on DXY? We can easily see that the market is still going higher. But I think this is something that was supposed to happen on the FOMC day, but it seems like the market was still playing games with us. Now, the market just gave us this consolidation structure. The market was consolidating. Guess what? Now, I think this is obvious. The market is breaking out. That is just obvious, you see. So with that, it makes the dollar USD to be way too stronger, obviously, against other pairs. So since I don't really trade DXY, I just use that as an indicator. So it means I'm not going to have any trade set up on DXY. And if maybe you did not really subscribe, don't forget to smash that subscribe. So now the dollar is quite stronger against other pairs. Let's see what's really happening on other pairs. Okay. On AUD USD, it seems not really aggressively stronger, but we can see that we have a very nice structure. The market is going down. The market is going down. We can easily see, let me do this. We can easily see that around these areas, it's where the market used to respect. So where do you think the market will come and respect? That point there, I'm expecting the market to reach this area before we have a nice buy pending order. So that's why we wait. We don't really send signals unnecessarily. So we wait for the market. So we don't force opportunities. We don't really see opportunities like now and then, as opportunities won't just present themselves like every day or every single minute. That's why we can't just trade every second, you see. So we have to wait for some other structures to confirm. At the end of the day, you might have 1 or 2 trades, and that's normal. But something that is not really normal is to every trade, every week we have more than 20 positions. That is not normal. Where do you get those opportunities? 20, 50 positions. Just go on your trading history. On your MetaTrader, you will see how many positions do you have. If you don't really have rules, you'll see that I have like buy, sell on different pairs. And at the end of the day, the results, they will tell themselves, because now you're not making much because you just buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. At the end of the day, how is that possible that you can get those so many opportunities? That's why you end up taking some losses here and there. And that's how it is. We just have to face it. Né? So USD JPY, we've been talking about this. It was on a very nice uptrend structure. It's on a very nice uptrend structure. As we're not going to do some analysis here, we already done with the analysis. So I thought maybe the market was about to break out of that area, but it doesn't really make sense, because on the other pairs or on the other structures, we saw dollar gaining some momentum, but here it's selling. But it's normal, because JPY is a different pair. So if it keeps going down, we will be expecting it to reach the support area. Then we will say, okay, the market might end up going up. So, but this is a wedge structure. So which means the best thing that we can do is to see the market breaking out of that structure, so that we can have some very nice buys above that area, or maybe the market around this area. But since it's a wedge structure, if it bounces back again, we will be expecting the market to consolidate around this level until we get a proper breakout, maybe on the resistance or on the support area. It's up to the market, but I'm still expecting to see a nice reversal. So, but at the moment, we just need to relax. Let's relax. So, but this week we did not really have enough trades, guys. We did not really have enough trades, because we had like news left and right, and at the same time, Nasdaq, our bread and butter, it was already very, very, very high, so we were not just going to chase the market. So, what's happening? What's happening? Okay, on GBP, I think I'll need to buy another laptop here. So, on GBP USD, it's still recording, right? Okay, on GBP USD, we can see that since the dollar is getting stronger, we can see that, yeah, we were coming from a very nice downtrend. Now we are on a very nice uptrend. So our job now, since we already done with the analysis, the market was going towards our support area. So I had this notification so that the market, once it reaches this area, I can have a nice buy. But before we jump to a conclusion and say, oh, it's a breakout 1, 2, 3, no, it's a relax. We have this type of a structure also that we can use. You can see the market respected that, they respected this area, and now the market is going towards that. So there is now enough possibility for the market to respect this and go higher, even though we have this diagonal structure there. If the market breaks both of the structures, then we can say, yes, it's time for the market to do what? To go even lower. But at the moment, the market might still respect this area. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. Let me remove this so that you see this nicely. Let me remove that. So if I can remove this, or maybe I can remove that. Let me remove that first, because I want you to see what's really happening, guys. I want you to actually see. Even if we start it from here, you can see we actually have a nice horizontal structure, but at the same time we also have a nice continuation of that trend. We can say we have something like that, as it makes sense, but we also think outside the box. We can see that this also makes sense. Do you see that? So which means there is a chance for the market to do what? To respect this area before bouncing back. So I will be watching on that. Maybe this might be a very nice opportunity for us to eat, because we've been waiting. So at the moment, I will just remove my trend. And if the market breaks out of the structure, it will be obvious that now we're not going to eat anything. We just have to wait for that a continuation of the new trend. But we were on a very nice uptrend, so at the moment I'll wait for that notification, or I can push it a little bit lower. So let's push to the next one, because my computer seems to be going crazy. I don't know if it's my network or something. I don't know, but we will just push, guys. We will just push. Then we will see, as long as we can finish. I don't think it's my laptop. I think it's this trading view thing is going crazy. So let me close some of these. So now we are on Euro USD. On Euro USD, it's been playing games with us. I remember we had a sell here, around here. Then the market reversed. Now it's going back around the same level that I thought maybe was going to go, but we can see the overall structure here. It was a downtrend structure. The overall structure, it was a downtrend structure. Now the market showed us that it's breaking out. So we expected to see a continuation of a nice bullish move. Guess what? The market did not really do that. Now we can now see that, no man, euro is bleeding. What's happening? We don't really know, because it shows us that the dollar is stronger. But if you check the DXY or dollar index, you saw that it was quite stronger. So it's not really surprising here. But the structure, the overall structure, to me, it's not like this here. It's not really good, because we no longer understand what's really happening. At the end of the day, we just need to rub everything there and see if maybe the market will be going down or something. But with this type of a structure, I see a continuation of our previous trend, which is actually a downtrend. But to jump here, sometimes it's not really nice. We just need to wait and get other ones. You saw AUD and Gbpusd, they were much better. So on the other side, we are on gold. Gold gave us some very nice breakout, if you still remember. But what we have here is crazy, because now the market consolidated. We saw a market going down. So now the market is going against the dollar. We saw the dollar getting stronger. I thought maybe we were going to get a sell, but it seems like gold is ready to go even higher. Crazy, right? Yeah, it's crazy. So what can we do here? I expected to have a nice buy yesterday, but the market reversed. But now it seems like the market is trying to go back again. So on this one, guys, I don't really want to just guess. I hate guessing, so I'd rather have a proper structure that I can use. Then if we lose, we can lose when we have a nice structure. But when the structure is not really visible or really that clear, why will you just want to sell or buy? You see? So I thought maybe the market was going to move like this yesterday, but the market is not really on that. So it's like the market is smoking something, because now the market is not following anything. You can see the market is moved. It was like that. So I expected a continuation, but no, that was not really the case. Now the market is back again. So the best thing for me is I want to entertain that. I rather maybe focus on AUD USD, Gbpusd, maybe the other ones. Let's see what's really happening. But when you see this gold going up, hey guys, and did you see that petrodollar ended? I think the contract that they have, US and UAE, about petrodollar, I think just ended last week, so they did not really renew that. So which means now they can sell their oil with any currency. I don't think that is going to be good, or it's not going to age well with the dollar. We might start to see some crazy stuff. Oh, maybe that's why they did not really catch the rates. Maybe. But anyways, let's continue with our setup. So on gold, I won't have any setup here. I think I will be just guessing whatever that is happening here. I won't entertain this, but it looks nice. It looks like it's trying to reverse, but do you have any solid structure that you can use to say why you're buying or why you're selling? No. Yes, maybe you can say, maybe you can say I will buy because maybe the market might be trying to recover from that. But the overall structure is we were on this nice downtrend structure and we see the dollar's getting stronger. So what's your reason? So it's going to be difficult. So for me, I'd rather get out of this. So US30, Dow Jones, US Wall Street 30. What's really happening? Around this area, I think it's quite straightforward. We had this nice uptrend, a breakout. So I've been talking about this consolidation. Maybe people, they thought maybe I was crazy, but it's happening. Now it's happening. So which means the market is still deciding whatever that is going to happen here. So it's fine. It's fine, but there is a possibility for the market to reverse. So we can't just conclude and say, oh, maybe the market is on a sell. No, because the market might reach this level and bounce back. You saw what it's happening on DXY. You saw what it's happening on Euro USD. It broke out, now it's going down again. So there is a chance that maybe later on, once the market opens, it might reach this area and go to the upside. There is a chance because we are on this ranging structure. But if it breaks this support area, as we saw the dollar is getting stronger, that will be fine with us and we can continue selling. But if it goes up, as we saw other markets like Nasdaq going up, yeah, I think it's also good. We can actually buy above that level, which is a resistance, but where we are, I will sell as I'm expecting a continuation of sell below that support. If maybe we need to buy, it has to be above that resistance. But around this area, nope. I think I'd rather sell maybe around this resistance or maybe buy above this. Besides that, I will just have to wait. Because now I will be just chasing. I will be chasing the market without any proper reason why I'm chasing the market. Just because I just want to trade. No. Nope. I won't do that. There's still next week. There's still later. And you know what the market does sometimes? You jump on the market and all, you end up losing a lot. When the market presents itself nicely, you no longer have enough to take advantage of the market. Because you risk everything. You see. So now what we have here is we can see that we are on Nasdaq. The market is actually giving us a very nice structure. This is a very nice uptrend structure. We see that the market is just reached the highest level. There's breaking some new levels there. So it seems like the market will be trying to reverse. Are we waiting for that? I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for the market to reach maybe around 19K or 18.9 there, around this level. So if that happens, I think it might happen maybe later today. So if that happens, I will be waiting for a very nice buy. Why? Because we are on a very nice uptrend. So for the market to reverse, it will actually reverse. And we might have an aggressive reversal also. So at the moment, it's still early. I'm not going to entertain the market. Yes, it's better to cry to say, oh, we don't really have signals, 1, 2, 3, but rather than to just lose money unnecessarily, you see. So it's better for us just to wait. So that it will be my trade setup. Or maybe if the market breaks this area, I will buy there, but hey, I won't have enough confidence. Already the market overbought there. Yes, I understand we are on an uptrend, but to buy above that area, it's what we should do. Or like it's the same resistance at this. Once the market breaks, you can buy. Even here, once the market breaks this area, we should buy. But where we are now, it's like overbought. So that for us, it's gonna be a problem for us to just jump in there. You see that? So I'm not expecting to jump there. I'm expecting for the market to respect that level, to sell a little bit before I have a nice buy. So something like that. So let's push to the next one before this thing crash again. I think this thing's not working. I don't know if it's my network or something. But as long as you understand whatever that I'm explaining here. So S&P 500 also on a very nice uptrend, but I'm expecting to see a nice reversal, maybe to reach this level or maybe the second one before I look for those buys, right? So for those who wants to be part of the team before this thing crash, you can join this. But on Sunday, the special ends, guys. I think I did this special for quite long now. Whoever who wanted to join, they can join. If maybe you don't really afford, that's also fine, guys. So it's not really for everyone, but lifetime, it's actually good. Lifetime signals, VIP signals, and you get all these good goodies in the group. So yeah. So S&P 500 waiting for another reversal. Maybe we can reach this level maybe before we buy, or I think maybe we might actually even reach this level. I think this buy was enough, but on S&P 500, I think it was reasonable. It's not really the same as Nasdaq. Hey, we've been stuck on US oil, man. We've been stuck here. We can easily see that, yeah, the market has been actually on a very nice downtrend structure. We had a sell. Hey, this thing's been stuck around this area, but I expect it to go even lower. I expect it to go even lower, but we will see. We will see what will happen. Let's not over risk, guys. So last week and this week, it seems like things were not really very, very nice, or they were not actually on our side. And this happens, guys, on trading. We trade 3 months straight without any problems. Other 2 weeks, it just looks like a worst trading ever, or like we have this losing week or losing streaks. And it happens in the market. If you don't really know about that, just know that, yeah, it happens. Sometimes we're just going to get it wrong, but there's other times where we just eat easily. But anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. I think we are going on 8K. We left with maybe few people to join. If you're watching this up to this point, please don't forget to smash that subscribe. I think by the end of today, we might be on 8K subscribers. If you see yourself not subscribed, tell your friends to subscribe so that we can reach maybe 15K before the end of the year. So anyways, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.